In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use WeTransfer. First, open up WeTransfer. You can download the app or you can use it in your browser. It doesn't matter. First, you need to sign up. You can use it for completely free, or you can even use it without a sign up required. So what we can do is we can either send or we can request. If you want to send something, we can upload the files right here. We can even upload entire folders, as you can see. And it can be photos, videos, or just files. And here you have to type in your email, the subject if you want, and the message. And what you can do is you can do it with a link or with email. And if you want to send it per email, just type in the email of the person that you want to send the files to, and then click on send right here after you have uploaded the files, and then the person will get the files. I hope this guide was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.